Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is your full quick workout for getting rid of that fat and getting those arms toned. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button so that every time I release a new video, you receive notifications. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. Now we are marching in sport right now, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. And you will need a pair of dumbbells, 2 pairs actually, preferably a heavier one and a lighter one. My heavier one is 3 kilograms and my lighter one is 1.5 kilograms because I prefer to do some exercises with a lighter weight. But it all depends on what your body can take. If you can use 1 pair, it's also okay. Just listen to your body. So we are going to grab a heavier dumbbell pair and we shall going to begin with bicep curls for 45 seconds. And you will begin curling in and down, squeezing onto those dumbbells and down, curl in and down, feeling those muscles tightening up. Pull your abs towards the spine so that you have your abs engaged throughout this exercise. Keep going, keep breathing, and down, curl up and down, curl up and down, up and down. Give me 5 more seconds, and down. Give me 1 more, up and down, and relax it out. You want to drop them up, pick up your lighter dumbbells, and we are going to move into 45 seconds of shoulder presses. So just grab onto your dumbbells, pull your abs towards the spine, and you will begin bringing them up and squeezing. Bring down, up, squeeze, bring down, up, squeeze, bring down. I hope you can see my muscles over there popping. Up and squeeze down, up and squeeze down. Pull your abs towards the spine and squeeze down and squeeze down. Visualizing all that fat burning away, and squeeze down, up and down and down. Just give me 2 more, up and down. Give me 1 more, up and down, and relax it out. And we want to get into triceps pushbacks. So you want to get into position still with the same dumbbells, and you want to bend over a little bit, creating a nice straight back and making sure that you are stable. Still going into 45 seconds of this. So you want to start pushing back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. Pull those abs tightly towards the spine so that we have them engaged throughout the whole time. And back and back. Keep breathing and back. Squeeze onto the dumbbells and back. Keep going. You're doing such an amazing job. And back. This was also a special request from a number of people who are damn tired of that fat. Back and forward, back and forward. Just give me 1 more, back and forward, and you want to relax it out. Still holding on to the lighter dumbbells. We are going to move on to lateral arm raises, and we shall begin straight away with 1 and 2. Keep breathing, and 3 squeezing onto those dumbbells. Keep going, don't give up, and back squeeze and back. Just give me 2 more. Squeeze and back, and 1 more. Squeeze and back. You want to drop down your dumbbells, you want to relax it out, and we are going to do just 1 more exercise, and that is going to be some cardio as well. Remember, fat burns best, especially with cardio, and we are going to close up with 45 seconds of the speed back. So just get into position and begin rolling your arms. I consider this one of the best exercises for actually burning fat. So if you have no time, just get 1 minute a day and do this one here, and you will feel that fat crying. I guess you see that muscle forming up while I speed back over here. So don't give up, continue going. You're doing an amazing job. Yes, we are burning it up. Keep going, keep moving. You're doing great. Continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out. Next, we want to stretch it out and as well come to the end of our workout. Beginning with the elbow stretch, just put 1 arm back and stretch it towards your head, and we are going to hold this for about 20 seconds. Keep breathing, pull your arms towards the spine and keep it holding right there. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and head over onto the other hand and stretch it out. Keep breathing, keep holding. Whew. That was short, but I believe a good burn of that fat, and keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we want to stretch out hand, and we want to do some wrist rotations as well. And we are holding this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other arm. Feeling that nice stretch in your arm muscles, which have done a great job, and keep stretching it out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And moving on to the bicep stretch, just bring your hands backwards and bend over gently at your hips, and we are going to keep this for about 20 seconds. You want to pull in your abs towards the spine, feeding those biceps, stretching out, and you want to keep holding this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you wanna come up. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in while stretching those hands, and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in 1 more time and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, I would advise that you alternate this workout with cardio. So today you do this workout, the next day you just sweat it out, and give it about a month or 2 to 3 weeks, and you will get to be seeing that fat going away. And that is just about it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and a high five if you actually made it to the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that every time I upload a new video you receive notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.